welcome to the next class of fine arts. As I told you earlier, this is the continuation of part A, Rajasthani miniature painting and their short notes. Today we are going to do short notes on sub-schools of Rajasthani painting. Why we are doing short notes? Because this much only is in our syllabus. That's it. So first one is Mewar school painting. What was the style? You can relate with this picture. I have given the picture of the famous painting of this. The style was, most of them are of Krishna Bhakti cult, and color bright and brilliant, human figure, long nose, you can relate it, long nose as you can see it, and oval shaped faces, very clear, fish like eyes, garment embroidered patka and turbans, and long shirt cholis with transparent dupattas for female. Okay, size, female size are smaller than male ones, as you can see it. And next one is nature description. There are so many things they used to show in the background, like trees like ornaments, flowers in bunches, hills and mountains in Persian style, and waves in water like basket style. So many things. This is Bundi school of painting. Here comes the pictures and style. What was the style? Based on Ragamala, Baramasa, Rasik Priya. These are some old epic books. They used to paint on this, and they used to write also. Okay, you can see they used to write it also on that. Human figure, faces are round and smaller near cheek, eyes, and nose shows charm and emotion. Figures resemble, but expressions are different. Okay, and nature description: landscapes of hill, jungle, river, lake, and bird, beautifully painted. Next one is bold in lines, because this is very important and this is very common in Bundi school of painting. In every painting you can see in that Bundi paintings always contain a minor in one corner. Okay, you can see the one, their lower worker is sitting over there. Okay, the best example of Bundi school of painting is Chunar Ragmala. This painting is from Chunar Ragmala. Okay, this is Jodhpur school of painting. We have divided human figure in male and female. First one is female. They are tall, hairs are tied up in a knot, high forehead, head is smaller in comparison to the body. You can relate it. Head is smaller than the body. Okay, eyes are spread to the ears. Eyes are this much long. That means कि वो ears तक जा रही हैं. Nose are sharp like parrot. Waist slim. Breast and butts are heavy. Legs long. That is why they are looking like long body and shorter head. Next is male. Males have the common thing is mustache and sideburns. You can see mustache and sideburns. Okay. Next is size. They are larger than other miniatures. Okay, females are shorter than males. This is the common thing. Next is nature description. Large twisted clouds. These are twisted clouds. You can see it's very small. Dense trees. See the dense trees. And pavilions are white. Okay. Bikaner school of painting. Style mainly based on Ramayana, Mahabharata, Krishna legends, and Ragamala, love scenes of Radha Krishna. Okay, so I think this one is of Ramayana. Next is human figure. Little tight lips, means small little lips, eyes half open, chin small, thin waist, Okay, these details you have to learn, because in every sub school these things are different, and these are the you can differentiate different sub schools from these things only. Okay, just in comparison to Rajput style is underdeveloped. Ghagra of women have diagonal strips. Diagonal strips. See, you can zoom it and just see. Okay. Next is nature description. Clouds are painted in special circular style. See, as it look like some twister is going on. Okay, see the round clouds. These are some Devi Devtas. Okay, आते हैं किशनगढ़ स्कूल ऑफ पेंटिंग पे. See the beauty of painting. This is like very beautiful. I love this style. Radha Krishna, Geet Govind, Bhagavad Gita. Okay, etc. सेम चीज़ों को थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर लेकर के ही वर्क हुआ है. नेक्स्ट इज सब्जेक्ट वाइड हंटिंग सीन्स, कोर्ट सीन्स, पोर्ट्रेट ऑफ किंग्स, एम्परर, सेंट्स. Okay, as this is like Radha Krishna scene, you can see. Next one is human figure. Females are slim, flexible. See the rhythmic beauty of the body, you can see, है ना. Tall like creepers, long face. See the long face, high and slopy forehead, high and slopy forehead. Pointed nose, very pointed nose, sharp nose, slim lips, long chin, long chins, you can see, long chin, eyes curved upwards, bow shape, eyebrows, long neck. See, very beautiful it looks. Next is nature description. Use of primary horizon and the sky replaced by creepers and foliages. Okay, comes Jaipur School of Art. Human figure, woman face are round, medium size, large eyes elongated with upward curve. In this painting I think no woman is here. Male figures you can relate. Robust body, round nose, hair reaching up to ears. See, hairs reaching up to ears. Now the garment, male wearing loose pajamas. See the loose pajama and turban. Everyone is wearing turban with diamond studded on it. Okay, woman wearing ghagra of dark color having ornamental borders. Use of light and shade beautifully done. Next one is color and lines, used very gracefully. You can see that Jaipur is really famous for this color and lining things. Expressions and emotions are in different postures.